See?
Fish over here too.
Okay, let's see what other fish we can see. Come on. Come on. Let's cut Liliana. Let's come over here. See if you can see the dolphin. Okay, we can look over here. Look. Come here. Look at all these fishies. Look. Oh, huh?
Whoa. Look at these. You're little.
Come on, let's go on down. Come on. Liliana.
Whoa,
Stop. Don't kick. Look at the fishies. Come on. Let's go over here. Come here. Come on, Liliana. See if we see the, there's a dolphin. See him over there.
I see him.
He's talking to other dolphins, it looks like. Oh, there's two of them. Watch this one come. Watch. Watch him come by. They must be getting food. Look at it. Here comes this one. Now listen, here comes up. Oh, he missed us. Okay. You see him? See him swimming over there? Here he comes. He's probably going to swim up high, though. Come on. Let's see what other fishes we see. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He passed us. Let's see if he comes back. Come here. Come on, let's see if he comes back. Let's see if he comes back.
There's another one over there. Look how beautiful they are.
Okay, do you want to look at other fishies or do you want to wait? Other fishies or wait? Okay, here he comes. There he goes, look at him.